Good morning, you guys. So, welcome to what I ate today. I haven't eaten anything yet. Yeah, you telling him? Say he just ate. Right now it's 8:24. I have made a cup of coffee, as you guys saw. That's the first thing I do in the morning. And I just did 30 minutes on my Peloton bike. I like doing fasted cardio. Just wanted to say hello and good morning and welcome to today's video. I'm just gonna show you what I eat throughout the day and I'll tell you the time. It varies from day to day, honestly. And I'm dieting right now or eating clean because I'm trying to get lean again. And yeah, let's just come along with me. I made some dinner last night, so I have that left over today, but I'll tell you exactly how I made it. It's so easy. And okay, I'll see you guys in a minute. So first meal of the day, I am going to have an avocado and 2 eggs and some chips. And I'll show you how I make the eggs. I kind of like fry it and then break the yolk a little bit and then flip it. I don't know what that'd be called. A fried egg. I'm really, really hungry right now. It's 10:35, by the way. See this pan? Don't judge. It's clean. It's totally clean, but it's one of those stone pans. Ozeri, I think is the brand. But anyways, my husband's weird about using like those non-stick skillet pans because he says there's like a chemical that comes off of it, whatever. He did research on it, to each their own, but I'm just gonna use that because it's right there. I'm gonna use avocado oil spray, Los Ladies, and I'm just gonna spray that pan good and well. I'm gonna let that heat up just a little bit while I cut my avocado. Avocado is cold. I hope this is focusing. I have it in the fridge because I feel like they don't brown so fast when they're in the fridge. I use organic, what is it, eggs, brown eggs. I feel like they taste better, dude. I'm gonna do 2 of them and I just drop it straight on the pan, right next to each other. Okay, get it over there. And then I will break the yolk. Not all the way broke, but just a little bit broke. Like that, and I'll let it fry up. I'm gonna add some salt, Costco sea salt, some pepper. Let that fry up. And for the avocado, dude, okay, so you should try this. I'm sure you have. It's so freaking basic. I put a little bit of salt, of course. Salt, some pepper. Red pepper flakes. Yum, girl, that takes it to the next level. Red pepper flakes. Put that on there. And I would put some garlic powder on there, but I don't know if we have any more. I need to go to the store, clearly. Yeah, I think we're out of garlic powder. I like garlic on everything. Flip it. That is so hard to do with one hand. But I like it like that. I like it a little choppy. And then I put about this much cheese. I like cheese. And then I just let it heat up a little bit more. And then I'm gonna eat it. Voila, that is my first meal. Just some cheesy eggs and avocado. Oh, it's delicious. First bite. You're like, nobody wants that. By the way, I would love to start doing some mukbangs, like on a cheat day. Mm-hmm. Take some avocado. And this keeps me full for a while. I think it's the avocado. Mm-hmm. Yum. If I had turkey bacon or just bacon in general, I would top this off. See you guys at my next meal. It's 12:30. I need a snack. It's 12:31. I'm gonna eat a handful of these almonds. Probably this many. And a cheese stick. Mm-hmm. Homegirl eats a lot of cheese. And a cheese stick. It's 12:30 and I had breakfast around 10:30. Yeah, I'm still hungry. All right, my next meal. Ryland is dozing off. I have a feeling he's gonna wake up crying in a minute. Dude, it's already 5:14 and I haven't had anything else to eat since those almonds and I'm freaking starving. And I know I look insane. I had all these plans to do stuff today, but life happened. So I'm just going to eat leftovers from last night. I guarantee I'm gonna eat another snack around 7 because I'm hungry. I had this creamy chicken basil. I will insert the recipe here. Dude, it's so good and it was so easy. And if you are doing keto, this will fit in your diet. I'm just gonna heat it up in here. I knew it, he woke up. I heated it up. It's a little soupy because it needed some flour, but all I had was almond flour. Anyways, I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese on top of it. That's what it looks like. There's 2 chicken breasts and that's basil. All right, I'm gonna eat this. Killed it. I was so hungry. He's gonna take his last nap of the day. He honestly probably shouldn't, but I'm afraid he'll be overtired if he doesn't. Hey, delicious. All right, it is now 6:44. Today's been a really long day, I feel like. Rylan was a little bit harder than normal, but this is real life, okay? And day by day, my diet changes. So, yeah, there's that. I'm gonna have some cheese crackers. So let me show you, it's healthy cheese crackers. I'm getting some cheese. And if you go to Costco and you're like keto diet, right? These crackers are freaking life. They're made out of almond flour and the macros. It's nut and seed flour blend, tapioca starch, cassava flour, organic sunflower oil, sea salt, onion, garlic, and rosemary extract. And yeah, 17 crackers has 150 calories. Just look at the, what's it called? The macros. They're great. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. I'm just going to sprinkle some of these crackers on a plate and then cheese on top and put it in the microwave. Boom. Putting it in the microwave for 30 seconds. Ta-da! Delicious. I kind of want to put sour cream on the side. I'm going to do it. All right, I added sour cream and some sriracha, and I'm just going to eat it. I'm also going to have some LaCroix. Thing I'm gonna eat, I had to walk out of the living room, the baby's sleeping, is a Atkins bar. It's a caramel chocolate nut roll. It's got 7 grams of protein, 3 carbs, and 2 sugars. That's nothing, girl. I love these Atkins bars for if you have like a really bad sweet tooth. Me, girl, I have the biggest sweet tooth. And if I'm trying to lean out or like diet and like still feel like a human but not feel like I'm gonna break, I will have these. Atkins has a whole arrangement of snacks. So that's what I'm gonna eat. I don't think I'm gonna eat anything else. I think this is gonna be the last thing at 7 o'clock right now. And I don't like eating past 7. So I think this is it. If this is it, then I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will do more what I eat in a day because I feel like you get more ideas. This is for when I'm not like cooking dinner or anything, and it kind of was cheating because I already had something made. So stay tuned for future Eat With Me videos. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.